20 puzzles to go. Yes, I believe less, maybe 17. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. Third regular puzzle, a tectonic. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 28th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. And in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this one, the JigSaw Sudoku number 9983. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Okay. For 3 stars puzzle, I need, well, there's a lot, 17 printed digits. I think it's a 0 stars or a 1 star puzzle. 0 stars puzzle, I need 13 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars, maybe it's a 1 star. You need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright. Faster than 50 minutes. Is this the 1 star, a 0 stars, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is: can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question: do we have a dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Next question: do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Do not know which order. Insufficient information right now, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box, then the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Next question: do we have here quadrat boxes? Can see any quadrat boxes here? Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then let me see. Well. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Oh well. We already have a 5 here, so this can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 number is 2, and the 3 we have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because spin can be a 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left now in this area. 1 number is 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. This box can be 2, this box can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. 3 and 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes and there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, Well. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box level 3 in this area is supposed to be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box level 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 4, those two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Then this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 3. Mark those two boxes a little bit of 3. We have a 3 there, so this can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 1 and a 2. Okay, need to wait. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes around 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is connected with that box 2 and 4. This box can be 1. Those two boxes surround 1 can be 1, so the 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1s. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2, 4, 5. Okay, 2, 4, 5. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. So definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Then 2, 4, 5. Okay. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. This box can be 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I need a 2. I need a 5 here. Well, I'm stuck here. Cannot believe this. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Ay. Come on. 2, 4, 2, 4. I think this box should be 5 because can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. 2 or 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left 3 in this area is supposed to be there, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the evening with other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.